Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about the Standing Liberty Quarter and a little bit of the history about it. The Standing Liberty Quarter was struck at the Philadelphia Mint from 1916 until 1930, with the exception of 1922 when there were no quarters produced at any mint. Strikings at Denver and San Francisco were more sporadic. In 15 years of production, 226 million coins were struck. This is the only 20th century regular issue U.S. coin from which no proof coins were ever produced. There are 37 regular issues as well as the one overdate, which is a 1917 S Type II die. Unused by the San Francisco Mint, it was recut and used to strike several thousand 1918 S coins, in turn creating a rare variety and the most elusive issue in the whole series. While the series contains many challenges to the advanced collector, the two other most notable key dates are the 1916, which saw a low production of 52,000 pieces, and the 1927 S, one of the four most condition rarities in all of the 20th century U.S. numismatics, and the toughest date to find with a fully struck head. Herman Atkins McNeil was a prominent sculptor who came up with the design of the SLQ. According to McNeil, Liberty is stepping forward in the defense of peace as her ultimate goal. Midway through 1917, George Morgan made extensive changes to McNeil's design, creating the Type II format. His modifications made the eagle higher on the reverse and moved 3 of the 13 stars from its sides to below it. Also, Liberty's nude torso is covered with chainmail, and her shield rivets are reduced from 30 to 16. Finally, a convexity was applied to the dies to aid in the striking production. Unfortunately, the changes had the opposite effect, with Type II examples displaying poor definition overall and notably to Liberty's hair and face. The date was the highest feature on the coin, like Fraser's nickel, and tended to wear very quickly. A subtype, also known as the Type III, was created in 1925, at which the date was recessed. With all that being said, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you can see all of our new content whenever we post it. God bless all of you, and happy hunting, and I'll see you on the next video.